Dollar index daily time frame, market did same as expected. Last week there was clear warning, we ready for downside correction, and market did same as expected. This last wave from low to high, 61% retracement complete and instant rejection from full retracement area. So last week was mostly correction for dollar, and this week before Friday closing, there is so many news. Biggest of all FOMC, biggest economic indicator NFP, recession indicator GDP. All of those things will come, and most important, copper tariff, which is political decision, depends on Trump. He delay, cut, or implement those tariff, which can happen before FOMC meeting or after FOMC meeting, but totally depends on Trump mode. But before Friday closing, I think we will have crystal clear answer. But in next direction for entire August month, for entire third quarter, entire second half of this year. But technically, before Monday market open, price goes up, first impulsive wave. This can be your counter trend correction. Last week low survive, new impulsive wave C, that will make new range high. And in upcoming time, mostly you can say entire August month, you can target up to 101 level. Because if you wait till Friday closing, clarity on all news, I think you will miss everything. But if you trade before news, then you have very high risk and you have to use very tight SL. If correction is over, if new range high come, there is no resistance before 101. Dollar index daily time frame, you can see multiple candlesticks showing rejection below 61% retracement area. So there was retracement, but below that support level, market saw rejection, goes up, and ultimately on Friday it closed above 61% retracement area. So if this last week low, if it survive, next target will be new range high, our 98.50. Because if Fed become hawkish, then that is bullish dollar, we all know. If recession trigger, especially all G7 country, they follow all rule, recession is bullish dollar. Euro USD intraday H4 time frame, that trend line it break out, and in 1 week it killed all the seller. But that was retracement and very dangerous week. All of those big news coming in same week. So once correction over, price will break down last week low. So we are bullish dollar, that's mean bearish on Euro USD. GBPUSD daily time frame, this trend line retest and bounce. So market did counter trend correction same as expected. But if you see closely, this static horizontal resistance 1.34, and this look like head and shoulder chart pattern. All step complete, head, left shoulder, right shoulder, now ready to break down neckline. So neckline and this trend line, static support 134, all of them at same place. Our right shoulder, that's in 136. Once breakdown start, no support before 1.32. USD CHF daily time frame, this static resistance, price making almost double bottom near 0.79. Because we are bullish dollar this week, if it spike, then 0.80 level can break out. So if you buy USD CHF this week, then you have to trade like double bottom and you have to use SL below 79. So once price close our 0.80 level, then it will be clear confirmation trend reversal in dollar finally begin. Because last week Trump was busy explaining difference between weak, weaker and strong dollar. USDCAD daily time frame, big static support level below 136, 3 retest. If this is triple bottom, then wait for range breakout. Once it break out on retest, you will buy near 1.38 and next target 140. But there is possible triple bottom pattern, but one more chance. If this is triangle chart pattern, that this can be final wave E, then wait for new lower low or new range low, instantly you buy. But we have strong support, possible triple bottom. Bitcoin weekly time frame, possible parallel channel, and price struggling for last 2 weeks. No major change, price sideways. In this FOMC meeting, everyone will look for rate cut decision. They skip same to same like last year July FOMC meeting and delay till September. We will know, but if they say something about QE, they will continue, but how long? Then it will directly affect Bitcoin price. If no update on QE in this FOMC meeting, but if major change happen in QE in this FOMC meeting, then there can be big action in Bitcoin. But it depends if they say something about QE policy. Silver weekly time frame, big parallel channel upper trend line retest. Last 2 big strong rejection. Same like gold, long tail and big rejection from upper part of the channel. And no static support before $34. If you see same setup on daily time frame, then this will look like rising wave chart pattern, lower trend line and upper trend line testing again and again. Chart pattern is shrinking day by day. Once lower trend line breakdown, clear trend reversal confirm and very wait for silver. But before breakdown start, reversal confirm, you have so many clear static support resistance level 37 and 35. Monthly time frame SP 500. First half of the July historically bullish, but second half not bullish like compared to first half. And before Friday closing, you have so many news. For example, GDP and NAP. If they come weak, recession panic, price can come down. If they come strong, more strong NAP, then economic re-acceleration, it will trigger hawkish Fed risk. So both way, growth indicators show low growth or high growth, both way look bad for SP 500. So you have two big things this week. 50% copper tariff. Market is not pricing 50% copper tariff if they implement after FOMC meeting. Instantly it can trigger market crash. For any reason, if they skip July FOMC meeting rate cut, delay until September, then same to same last year, because of July rate cut skip, it triggered market crash. So once reversal start, no support before $6,000, and once market panic begin, ultimately everyone will wait for retest of this trend line. So rate skip in this week and delay up to September, and if they implement copper tariff, either both or one of them, that is very wait for SP 500. Clarity will come on everything before Friday closing. That's mean once August month start. So next month can be bad for SP 500. GDX daily time frame, price first made ending diagonal chart pattern, then sideways. So ending diagonal chart pattern, then double top, and this is your neckline here, $51. First neckline breakdown, then retest, then new lower low and back to $45. Gold is sideways below 34.30 since April month, but mining stock is still flying. This look like bubble in mining stock, that gold will go up forever or stay up forever. Since April it is sideways, but mining stock constantly flying. In GDX daily time frame, be careful on this technical setup, ending diagonal, then double top and breakdown of neckline. Dollar index daily time frame, you can see since April month, dollar index is sideways horizontal line, no major change. Same time gold also sideways near 34.30. If dollar weak trend over, big reversal coming, trend line breakout, now retest and retracement also complete. If last week low survive, then upside risk is 101. Speed depends on what Fed do this week and they implement 50% copper tariff or skip once again. Because if this low survive and new range high come, then it will be technical confirmation. Everyone will adjust for strong dollar.